Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming, and the reason why today you click on this video is you want to know how you can upscale an art image. Alright, so there's a lot of upscaler up there, and there is like one of the most popular, if you guys have heard before, it's called the Midjourney upscaler. Alright, which basically recently they launched a new upscaler where you can upscale your photo or image, all right, by 2 times or 4 times, all right, because nowadays, you know, there are like TVs, your phones, your monitor, you know, your desktop monitor, all are getting higher resolution compared to last time where there's 720p or 1080p is the mainstream. Nowadays there is like 1440p, 4K, more of a mainstream one. So you probably need to upscale your image to make it look better, or probably you took a blurry photo and you really like that photo, but you want to make it clearer so you post it on Instagram or any other social medias out there. All right, and yeah, so Midjourney is quite a good an AI upscaling software, all right, that is available on Discord. But sometimes, because it's using AI, so sometimes the upscaler can get a little bit funky, like probably like during a 2 times one, it can be a bit over enthusiastic, all right, giving smooth stuff those extra texture which you don't want. All right, plus the 4 times version can be sometimes will be way too smooth and erasing some of the details that you want to keep in the picture itself. And even if you have like a hand painted picture, it doesn't work on it as well. But sometimes, most of the time, it will work like wonders. All right, but the cost of the subscription plan is not that cheap. All right, so let me just show you the plan itself. Right, you can see the plan is like starting from the base of $10. All right, so for $10 a month, all right, you get the at most 3.3 hour per month of fast GPU time, and there's no relaxed GPU time. So what this means is, let's say if you're upscaling to 4K, all right, 4 times the resolution of your image, all right, it probably consumes like 0.1 hours. So yeah, it wouldn't be that much, but but basically, if you calculate the math, it's probably about 33 images you can upscale in a month, which is not generally a lot. Right? And if you want like a higher price, it will cost more, and you get more hours, more this and that. But it probably costs more, and you also have a threshold that once you exceed, like if you do the $30 plan, so you get 15 hours per month. So once you hit the 15 hours, you cannot use it for the month until the next month renews it. So as it get more expensive, you get more hours, but there's still a threshold to it. So if you are very vivid, or you want to upscale a lot of images, right, this might be good, but it might not be a really probable solution in the future, as well as also for what you do as well. All right, so there is another solution for this, and it's this one. All right, this is the VideoProc Converter AI. All right, so this thing not only does upscale images, all right, it also upscale videos as well, and there is also a lot of other features that it have as well. Not only just upscaling videos or images, they have way more features included in one whole package. All right, so you are basically not paying to upscale your image, but you can upscale image and as well as upscale videos, convert, you can do some edits to it, you can do a lot of stuff to it. All right, and it is very efficient, and it do things really fast. All right, so yeah, this thing is very worth it, which I'm sharing with you guys today. All right, so right now I'm gonna show you a few features of the software itself, and you guys can see it for yourself. Alright, so as you guys can see right over here is the VideoProc Converter AI, alright, and as you can see, they have so many features. So if you were to pay for it, alright, compared to Midjourney or any other like AI upscaler out there, alright, those you are paying for, the features itself, and if you want other features, you probably have to pay more for the different features to unlock different features. But this one, a one-time payment, you get access to all this in the software itself. All right, so let me just go through a few. We have the super resolution, which is the main thing we are focusing on today. Upscaling your images 2 times or 4 times. Frame interpolation, you can adjust, you can make a 30 fps video feels like a 60 fps video. Stabilization, if you have a very shaky video, you want to make it look nice for probably your TikTok videos or YouTube videos, probably like vlogging and shorts, you can use it to make it look stable. All right, like you actually have a gimbal as well. This is very interesting. All right, we have video converter. You can convert different MP4 to HVAC, or MKV, all this and that. You can use this as well. Very easy. And you have like some old DVDs, or old DVDs movie, you want to convert it to digitally, you can use this as well to convert. And this one is the downloader, where you can the links to the video you want, you just copy and paste the link, it will download the video for you. Very simple to use it, and this thing is very useful as well. And a recorder, so you can use it to record like a screen if you are doing YouTube video or recording something on your monitor, or recording some gameplay, you can use this as well. So this software includes so many things. All right, but today we're gonna show you the super resolution. All right, so let me just show you what I have over here. All right, so as you guys can see, we have two test images. All right, let me just show you the original one. As you can see, this is the original image. All right, this is zoom in 100%. So if I want to make this resolution higher, all right, as you can see, it's pretty blurry. It's not that pretty. All right, so this is zoom in 285%. All right, and we have another test image too. All right, so this is a picture of a building. Looks really nice. Looks really okay. But this is 100%. So this is not a full resolution. All right, as you can see, if you zoom in, details will get blurry. All right, so that is the problem. Probably you have a very nice image, but the resolution is too low. So what you're going to do is, with this software itself, all you guys have to do is just to demonstrate this person first. All right, so just drag it in. Very simple. It loads up. It shows you a preview. As you can see, the resolution on my original image is only 300 by 300. All right, so as you can choose the scale on the right, there's 2 times, 3 times, and 4 times. So 2 times will become a resolution of 600 by 600. And as you can see, the difference with the person's face is way more smoother, way more detailed, less blurry, and more clearer. All right, so you can upscale 3 times and 4 times as well, with a resolution of 1200 by 1200. All right, so once you're done setting up, all right, you can choose your GPU. You want to use it for hardware encoding, you can use different GPU. If you have NVIDIA GPU, it'll be faster. All right, and you can select the output format as well, JPEG or PNG. Is very convenient. All right, image quality, this and that. Just click on run. You can see what they are using, your CPU and my GPU. All right, so this is the output. All right, so this one is the 1200 by 1200, and this one is the 1300 by 1300. As you guys can see, all right, let me just switch both to 100%. This is 100%. So this is 100%, which is so small. This is 100%, which is this big. So you got a more resolution, more detailed, and you can see. All right, so if you zoom in, about the same. All right, this one must be zoom in 417%. All right, you can see the vast difference between both of them. You can see the sunglasses are way more sharper. The facial features are so much clearer and sharper. The background is like so much better. All right, it feels way better compared to this image right here, and it's of a larger size. Right, so this thing is really amazing. Let me just demonstrate to you the second one, which is the picture with a building itself. All right, well, it may look really nice. All right, and you can't really see much right here with the difference, but I'm gonna show you the difference. All right, same. I'm gonna do it 4 times this time. Still the same. All right, you can choose how many times. Click on run. All right, it's very quick. I'm doing this in real time. I'm not like speeding things up or what. All right, so let me just show you the difference side by side. All right, so all right, as you guys can see, this is only 58%. All right, and this is 100%. And you can, I was to open this image up, you can see the difference right now is starting to get a bit clearer. But if you zoom in a bit more, okay, probably the facade right here, you can see that the cracks, all these are way more clearer compared to the left, which is very blurry. The windows look sharper. All right, you can see the more you zoom in, all right, the windows look sharper, and you can see all the little details over here, which you can't really see over here. So yeah, overall it makes the picture way more clearer. All right, and it overall keeps the composure of the photo itself, so they don't change any composure, like the dark effect over at the side here. All right, it keeps the composure, so basically the whole the whole building is in frame. Alright, so yeah, they don't change anything, they just improve on the resolution, which is really helpful if you are a photographer and some photos you took are good but probably need a bit of tweaking or upscaling. You can certainly use this software as well. So you can see from the difference, there is a very significant difference over here with this. So yeah, and for now they have an offer right now. If you purchase it for like $45, is a permanent license. So or you can, if you don't want to spend $45, there is like a cheaper one, but it's a monthly subscription. So what I recommend is just pay for one-time lifetime subscription. Just one-time payment, you get access to this. There's no limitations, there is no threshold. You can use this for as much as you like. You can convert 1,000 2,000 images, you know, there is no limit to it. So it's basically unlimited and you get so many extra features. For that, I think this is really worth it. Alright, so yeah, once again, if you want to check out this software right here, I will link them to the video description down below. Definitely get the license for yourself. The lifetime license is very worth it. Alright, you get everything and it's constantly being updated, so you can get all the latest and the greatest by this software. You don't have to worry about, you know, need to purchase a newer version. No need, it will be always updated. Alright, and as you can see on here, it works on so many types of formats and codecs and, you know, all this and that, and you can even do some edit on raw files as well. So this thing uses CPU and GPU hardware acceleration, so it can be done, you can, you know, convert or, you know, upscale really fast in real time. You don't have to wait long time for it to, you know, to be done. So yeah, and it's very worth it for so many features. For one price for the lifetime license, I think this thing is definitely worth to try it out. Alright, so you can just download for free, you can just try it out for a while. If you guys like it, you guys can definitely purchase the lifetime license or a monthly subscription as well. So once again, if you want to check out this software, I'll link them in the first link in the video description down below for you guys to check it out. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And without further ado, I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.